Hi, I'm Felipe Oliveira and this is my first course, Data for Beginners. What will you learn in this course? You'll learn about different careers that you want to follow in the data world, like data scientist, data engineer, and data analyst. And all of this we'll learn from the very beginning, since the download from the first database management system to the queries, the inserts, to the structure, to the model, to the types of database, the type of modelings, and how to optimize all of these scenarios that you find in your career. And who am I? I am Felipe Augusto Carvalho Oliveira. I'm Brazilian, based in Portugal now, but I'm from Rio de Janeiro. I am a senior data engineer. I work in technology for 13 years. I'm now a Databricks certified as a data engineer associate. My experiences. About my experiences, I worked in a bunch of companies. Many of them is from Brazil, and here in Europe, and we have the Mindera Software Craft and the Denelm, the Home of Homes. The Denelm is a company, it's a sales company from UK that some of you may know. And the Mindera Software Craft is one of the most greatest consultants in Portugal and has based in several other places. And what are my objectives with this course? First, share knowledge with you, with my friends that want to start in the data career, and any kind of data career. I have some friends that want to be a data scientist, data engineers, and want to be data analysts. So I want to create this course to attend all of them and all of you that want to enter in the data career. Part of this is about self-realization. My mom was a teacher and I always want to be a teacher since I was a child. And I would like to start with this content to be my very first course and start my teaching hobby. The last objective here is to teach you everything that you need to know to start in a data career, to be a data analyst, to be a data scientist or data engineer. Everything that you need to know to create a database, to model a database, and to optimize your database. I want to share with you here. Of course, I don't know everything, and any kind of help and any kind of advice in the commentary section will be very appreciated. And that's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to click in the subscribe button and the like button and to activate the notifications to be notified when the lessons begin. And that's all for this. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate everything that you may comment here to help me with my lessons. And everything that you want to know, please let me know in the commentary section.